Everyone, this week is Parshas Noach, and I'd like to dedicate the Divrei Torah of this video to the safety and well-being of all Israeli soldiers, wherever they may be, protecting the Jewish people. This week in chapter 9, verse 13, we are introduced to the rainbow, and God says that this will be a sign, a brit, that it will no longer destroy the world in the future through water. And Rabbi Rivlin, in his Sefer, asked the following question: what is it about a rainbow? What message does the rainbow carry for us in light of the behavior of the generation of Noach? The generation of Noach was filled with thievery and fraud, injustice, self-interest, a lack of concern and compassion for the other. And therefore that brought on the destruction of the world. The rainbow is a manifestation of the spectrum of the many colors that make up light. And Rabbi Reuven says it's symbolic of the people of the world who come from different backgrounds, who have different experiences, who are different than ourselves. But when we come together as a unified people, there is great beauty in the different colors that we bring to the spectrum of light in our lives. I want to talk about two stories that I saw this week among many hundreds of great stories of unity among the Jewish people. One is about a Chabad couple from San Diego, Mendel and Dini Plachenko, who after Simchas Torah left San Diego to travel back to Israel, to visit army bases and to provide strength and chizuk and love to the soldiers who are getting ready for battle. And he mentioned that one of the army bases that he was able to get entree to was a base that was dedicated to have soldiers who have the sad but important responsibility of informing families of the loss of their loved ones. And he came there to give them hugs. To the people that are taking care of those families, he wanted to let them know that someone loves them and wants to take care of them. What a powerful story. His wife shared that they brought food and all kinds of supplies with them to give to the soldiers. And the top and most important thing the soldiers all wanted was a religious article, tzitzis, anything, a book of Tehillim, something that they can carry with them into battle. That's what they wanted. They wanted Hashem close. They wanted God to be with them in this battle against evil. The second story I saw posted on a Twitter feed, an X feed, whatever they call it these days, someone named Dudi Laniado, who heard about all these cows in a place called Nir Oz, which was the site of one of the great massacres that took place over Simchas Torah. And there was no one to take care of these cows, and they were surely going to die. He put on his uniform and went down under great danger to feed and sustain these cows, not only saving these animals, but the future of that community. Mi ka'amchi Yisrael, who is like us Jewish people? There was another tweet that I saw, and I'll end with this. And this was to the terrorists. You have no idea what unity you have unleashed. And that is where our strength is. That is our power of our rainbow. That is our brit with Hashem. May Hashem Yishmor, Hashem Yazor, all our brave soldiers. If you like what you hear, pass it on. Shabbat Shalom.